Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the input source and ensuring the converter rating matches. For example, 12V input for a 5V output module. Once you have a multimeter, a load like a resistor or LED, and insulated clips, you can proceed. Make sure power is disconnected and inspect solder joints for shorts. This prevents early failures. Now connect the input leads to the VIN and GND terminals, tighten screws, and prepare the multimeter on the output pins before applying power. With the module powered, measure the output between VOUT and GND. You may see coarse regulation initially. Once done, use the small screwdriver to turn the trim potentiometer slowly while watching the multimeter. Small turns yield fine changes. Make sure to attach a realistic test load because the converter can read higher without load. Observe voltage under load and look for ripple or oscillation. If the voltage is stable within tolerance, note the adjustment direction for future setups and secure the trim position. Finish by securing wiring and mounting the module, then let it run for several minutes to confirm thermal performance. Once done, recheck terminal tightness and ensure the converter is not thermally throttling. If the voltage drifts or oscillates, make sure ground continuity is solid and that you have adequate input decoupling and a proper minimum load. A common and effective fix is to add a 10 microfarad electrolytic plus a 0.1 microfarad ceramic across input and output to reduce ripple and stabilize the regulator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.